Let's go back to dragging data. So this is pretty cool when you've got data that Excel knows how exactly what to do with. So here I've got a couple of examples I just started off for you. I got the months. So I'm going to select both January and February here, and then I'm going to drag them down to 12. And notice that each time I drag, it selects or it shows me what months it's going to end up with. So if I go down to 12, it's December, and if I go to 13, it goes back to January. So I'm going to let go, and it just populates it. Also notice that it's stayed in that 3-character limitation that I started with. If I do the same thing with the full month name, and I drag it down, it repeats the entire month name. Now it's not just limited to months. We can do this with numbers as well. We can do it with even numbers or odd numbers. I can do it horizontally and vertically. We can do it with years. And we can do it with negative numbers. And we can even do it backwards. So we've got all kinds of options that we can do with this. It's pretty intuitive. And if it can guess what you're trying to do, it'll start to do it for you as well. And it'll make suggestions. But you can do this and just keep on going. Let's say what I'm going to do by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Oh man, I don't want to type all that out. Let's just drag it on down here. And it just created that. Oh, I didn't need that many. Let's go ahead back and select it. And we're going to undo. I just need 50. That's all I needed. Cool. So you can just drag cells to quickly duplicate your data.